head is still 5 o'clock, but I can never film any earlier because I forget. To be honest with you, I do forget. Monday is always that day, like, you relax for the weekend, and Monday's just rush, rush, rush. Today, I'm going to talk about, one, Josh's girlfriend. So apparently now, Josh has a girlfriend. And I'll insert a picture of her here. And apparently her name is Savannah, and that was the girl that Harry was seen with the other day in LA. And apparently she's younger. Well, one of my friends actually said, someone on Twitter said that she's 17, but I don't know if that's completely true. And if she is 17, that gives some of the younger people a bit of light, a bit of hope that they might be able to get in with one of them. We're all pretty much, like, you all know, like, it's never going to happen, but you always have, like, in the back of your head, like, what if it does actually happen? Oh, yes, Harry. So, apparently, you know how you got Gemma was on? Apparently, he didn't like it, and he got it, put over with a spade, I think, from a deck of cards. But that is not true. That photo, someone posted on Twitter and said it's from the tattooist Instagram. The spade is from ages ago, and the picture of Harry is only from the other day. So it's not Harry. And I think you still got that. So it's not Harry, it's all good. Okay. So if you all were on Twitter yesterday, you would have known that there was a little argument between Louis and Nathan from The Wanted. And I thought that was the funniest thing ever. Oh my goodness. And because I like The Wanted as well as One Direction. But that fight was freaking hilarious. And I think Nathan was a bit more grown up and kind of left it when Louis was getting a bit angry. And then, of course, lastly, we have the VMAs, which the boys took out 3 awards, which is amazing. Like, we were only pretty much voting for one award by voting Vote One Direction. So we helped them win one of the awards. But then they also won another 2 as well, which is like crazy, 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 and I can't believe it. And, okay, selfish moment right here. Okay. So I kind of, in a way, didn't want them to win an award. Not because, like, that way, but because they're, like, seeing them win all these awards makes it even more clear that they're not mine. And they're not, like, our little secret anymore. Because last year, they were kind of, like, our little secret band. And not many people knew about it. And it's like, even in January, when we had a Sydney Flash Mob, people were like, who's One Direction? Like, a lot of people hadn't heard of them, like, ever before. And now you're lucky to find one person who doesn't know who One Direction is. And that kind of makes it sad in a way. But I'm still really happy for them. And they did a really good job. And now I'm going to go because this is gone forever. And I will see you next week. And do you know my hair? Is it a bow? And my glasses and my lights. So I'm going to go now. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next week.